Hey guys, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. I just wanted to make a quick video and say happy April. It is a great month to be gardening, and this month we are going to be so busy in the garden. So be looking out for new videos coming out pretty much every single day. I'm going to be doing something out here in the garden, and I mean, it's been really busy. So I'm really excited to keep going. But I wanted to go ahead and to announce our newest contest that we have. And so this month we are going to be giving away a seating square. Really exciting. I absolutely love our seating square that we have. We have used it for several years with myself planting and with the kids planting. It really helps too to break out square foot gardening. And if I'm planting something that's like 16 per square, it just makes it so much simpler. And we actually have a couple of these too because the kids love using them so much too. And it helps them whenever they were younger. We actually taught them their colors with this, and we taught them how to count, and we were doing all sorts of things with them out in the garden with these. And so they're great little tools, not just for kids, for grown-ups too. I love using mine. But anyways, I just wanted to announce that. So how you go about winning this, that's how everybody wants to know, right? You will go ahead, just like all of our previous contests that we've done. It's going to be a giveaway based on YouTube. You need to be subscribed to our YouTube channel, and also just go through and comment on any of our videos that we have coming out this month of April. It's going to be a busy month, so be looking out for all of those new videos coming out, and comment on them, and you'll be entered once per video, per comment, and entered to win. To be able to win for this, you do need to be living within the Continental United States, so have a mailing address that we can ship to. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Leave them in the comment section, and good luck to everybody on winning your very own seating square this month. And just so you're aware, I will be announcing the winner during a live stream on the 1st of this month. So that will be how you will find out who the winner is of the seating square. So next month on the 1st, I will be doing a live stream. So be looking out for that. Good luck, everybody.